Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I'm going to test 500 grams oats powder on this vertical packing machine. The model number of this machine is ATM320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. It customized with nitrogen gas filling device. Okay, let me run this machine to show you how it works. Here is our touch screen. Let's start the machine. Okay, let's stop the machine. Let's check the finish bag. Here is the printing result. And the sealing of the bag. Vertical sealing of the bag. Printing result and the sealing of the bag. And the sealing of the bag.